On your mark, get set, go! Brayden, go get her. Go get her. You go too. Here he comes. On your mark, get set, go. Uh-oh. Yay! Yay, Brayden. Okay, ready? On your mark.
Get set, go.
Wow, Madeline, you run so fast.
On your mark. Get set, go.
Whoa. Go, Brayden. Go. On your mark. Get set. Go. Go. On your mark. Get set. Go. Brayden got distracted at the stairs. Here he comes.
My turn now. My turn.
Daddy tried to catch y'all.
My turn.
On your mark. Get set.
Go.
Go. Go, Brayden, go.
Are you going to see a bit of a stream walk by?
Good job. Do you run fast?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready to do it again? Yeah. On your mark. Get set. Go. On your mark. Get set. Go. Brayden, you're getting pretty fast too. Good job. How old are you, Madeline? Very good. You are. How old is Brayden? Do you remember?
2,
No.
3,
How old is this?
1.
Very good. That's 1. Brayden.
My turn. I have a turn.
On your mark. Get set. Go. On your mark. Get set. Go. Are you having fun, Brayden? Go. Brayden, go get Madeline. Go get Madeline. Madeline, who do you love?
Daddy, Brayden, everybody.
Daddy, Brayden, everybody. Brayden, are you going to jump rope? Hey, no. Are you going to jump rope? No? Okay. Madeline, are you going to jump rope? Show us how you do it. Good job, Pumpkin. Brayden. Brayden. Brayden.
Tie you. We need to tie you.
Brayden.
Tie you up.
What do you have?
There you go.
Hey, where's Mama?
Mommy. Mommy. I want tied.
Daddy tied you up? Oh, that's not nice. How are you going to get out? Whoa, it's magic. Go get your magic trick. It's in Mommy and Daddy's room. Oh my goodness. Where'd Madeline go? There she is. Where is she? Where is she? There she is. Where is she? Brayden. Say mama. What do you need help for? You can get out yourself. Whoa.
Leave that on there.
Brayden, it's Mickey.
Madeline. Madeline.
Are you dancing? Are you dancing? I know.
Hey, go, no.